Hi! If you have semi-hooded eyes and if you struggle with cut crease, you're in the right place. So, when you do a cut crease, you should separate your lid from the brow bone. Therefore, instead of the place where our lid creases, we should focus on the brow bone. As you can see, here is my brow bone and this is where I will cut my crease. And I'm going to use these colors. About the brushes, I'm going to use from left to right in order. My first shade is Latte and I'm applying it back and forward and then with circular moves. The second shade is Caramel and again, while targeting my brow bone, I'm applying in the same way. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah, we'll never be alone. Now my natural crease line started to appear. My crease shade is Chocolate and I'm applying with the circular moves. And my crease line became more visible and it's gonna be my guide. With the flat brush, I'm putting dots right under this line. And I'm using liquid concealer. I think it's easier to do cut creases with liquid concealers or even foundations. With a little bit pressure, I'm drawing my line. I said with pressure because when I do like that, it gives me kind of sharper crease line. About the inner corner. When I do glitter cut crease, I like to cut it a little bit higher. But the thing is, the higher angle, the closer eyes look like to each other. To deepen my crease line, I'm applying black eyeshadow very slightly. I'm doing this right after I cut my crease because let's be honest, every time I cut my crease it's different size and if I would apply this before it can look asymmetrical. This is how it looks after I complete my makeup. You might be thinking that my right side looks much better when I open my eyes, but when I look down, you will see it's already started to smudge everywhere. If you're a beginner and if you struggle with cut creases, it's totally normal. I mean, this was my first cut crease attempt ever, and as you can see, it looks horrible, but what I want to say is just don't give up. Practice, practice, and practice. I hope I could be helpful and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye!